Hello all, my name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video we are going to see the set operations which is related to the Python data structures. We have already discussed about lists, we have already discussed about tuples, and we are going to continue with the third built-in data structure which is known as set operations. Set, and today we are going to discuss about set operations. Okay, so let's get into this. So today in this topic, as I told you, we are going to discuss about set operations. So let's mention it as a set operations so that it will be easy for you to refer this particular notebook which I am going to upload it in GitHub. Okay, so before we begin our main topic, set operation, let's take an example of a set. So then we'll try to perform some of the operations on set. Okay, so we'll take it as x is equal to, we'll give some elements of set or components of the set 1 2 3 4 5 6 98 77 66. Okay, so how many components are there? 3 4 5 8. So we'll try to run this particular cell. Now let's define one more set having some components. We'll give it as 3 4 67 0 1 65. Then we'll give 5, we'll give it as 100. So here how many components are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we'll try to run this particular cell. Suppose if you want to find the length of the particular any set, means you can also do it in the same way which you are following in for the lists. Let's try to run this particular cell. So here you can see the 8, because there are 8 components in this particular set. Okay, and now suppose if I want to perform some of the operations on the set. So you might have learned sets operation in your school days or college days, like union, intersection, difference and all. Okay, so in the same way, like we'll try to perform some of the operations using Python programming. Okay, so first what we'll do is we'll try to find the union of two sets. So the union of sets can be performed by x pipe symbol then y. So now if I try to run this particular cell, let's see like what might be the output. So here you can see all the components of the set x and y, and here whatever the duplicate items are present, or whichever the item is repeated one or which is repeated more than once, it will be removed because the duplicates are not allowed in set operations. Okay, suppose if you really want to say, if you really want to see like how do we know that the sets does not allow duplicate, means I will take an example, then I will try to run that particular set, then we'll see like whether the duplicates will be present in the output or not. 2 3 4 4 5 6, then I will take again 2 98 78, then I will take 5 again, then I will try to run this particular cell. So here you can see like 5 is repeated more than once, and any other element 2 is also repeated more than once. We'll take an example of one more element which is repeated more than once. I will take it as 6. Now I will try to run this particular cell. Now we'll try to print the set A, and now let's see like what might be the output. So here you can see like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 98, 78. So even though 5 is repeated more than once and also 2 is repeated more than once, but in the final output you can see it's been removed, and those components are present only once. So this shows that the duplicates are not allowed in set. So here I will try to give some comments so that it will be easy for us to understand. Union of set. Okay, so there is one more way, like in that particular way also you can find the union of two different sets. So what you can do is like print of x dot, you can press tab, and here you can see union. Where is union? You can select union, then you can select the another set, print of x dot union of y. Now let's try to run this particular cell. So here also you can find the union of two different sets. So here you can find the two different ways, so you can follow any one of the way. Okay, so I will just try to mention in comments. So here you can see, sorry, not here. So two different ways to find the union of set. Okay, so now let's try to find the intersection of two different set. So again, now let's define x and y. We'll take it as x. We'll try to run this particular cell, and again we'll take it y, and also we'll try to run this particular cell. Now we are going to find the intersection of two different sets, so which can be done by x ampersand y. Okay, so this is the way where we can do the intersection of set. Now let's try to run this particular cell. So here you can see 1, 3, 4, 5, which is the intersection of two different sets. That means 1, 3, 4, 5 are the common elements or the common components which are present in both the sets. 1, 3, 4, 5. Here also find, you can see 1, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is how you find the intersection of two different sets. So here also there are two different ways where you can find the intersection of two different sets. So that one I will show you. Now. Sorry, kindly excuse me. So again I will show you now. This is also one of the way where you can find the intersection of two different where is the intersection? Yeah, here you can find the intersection. Print of x intersection of y. Now let's try to run this particular cell. So now you can find the intersection of two different sets. So this is how you perform the union of two different sets, and you can also find the intersection of two different sets. Okay, so I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye.